Hi Year 9 biologists, this is Mr. Khan and it's week 9 and that means one thing. It is the week 9 assessment, the end of year assessment, and that's really the main activity that I've got in store for you. But before you do that, what I need you to do is I need you to do another extra activity which will help with your revision based on an assignment that I have set through Seneca. So you've all been invited to my Seneca classroom. The class code is here, it's up over here, it's also in the lesson plan. So please have a look at the lesson plan. If you need to join the class, then that's absolutely fine. All you need to do is just click on the lesson plan and the instructions are just below where the topics are that I've listed right at the very beginning. Okay, so once you join Seneca, you will find that there will be an end of year test 1 compulsory revision assignment that I have set for you. Now that is due in 6 days' time at the time of filming, and the time that it is due is 7 p.m. This is because I'm going to give you a little bit of extra time just in case you have some computer issues or connections are slow. Normally I would set this as an assignment which is due at 3 p.m. but lucky you have a few extra hours. So what the expectation is on you is that you complete each and every single one of these topics. These are all the topics that you are going to be tested on. Once you've finished all of those topics, I will then be able to see all of your progress in this grid sheet over here. The more 100%ers, the better it will be. So finish all of those topics. Those topics will take realistically between 60 minutes and around about maybe 90 or 100 minutes. Okay, so this is the reason why you're being given 5 extra hours on top of your normal deadline. So I've set a deadline for the Seneca activities at 7 p.m. because the actual test that you have to do is a 30-minute test. That's your end of year assessment. And it should take just 30 minutes and you should be able to submit it in time at 8 o'clock on Thursday night. Right, okay, so very easy to complete the assignment. Just please make sure that you are a member of the actual classroom. Please make sure that you don't take these activities outside the Night Bus Science Year 9 biology class. Please make sure that you join the class code, and just in case you need a little bit of a visual to join the class, here it is. You can actually scan this QR code with your phone. All of the instructions are there and you'll be able to join and complete those tasks. Right, so once you've finished the Seneca tasks, then you just need to make a start on your end of year assessment. Click on your end of year assessment and you will see that there's a little bit of information that is for you. Students are to complete the assessment and submit for review. This will be a graded assignment and the grade will be used as part of the end of year grade. Please note this will be a 1 response document. Please make sure that you are able to complete the assignment before you submit. There can be no returns if mistakes are made. Read the questions carefully and answer in detail, and make sure that you understand we are wishing you good luck as well. I really want you to do well on this one. Make sure that your name is in there, and then you just start straight away with the multiple choice questions. I'd love to show them to you right now, but I'm not going to show them. I'm going to allow you a chance to see them firsthand. Right, okay, a couple of further instructions have been placed on the lesson plan document, and I'd like to emphasize them to you, so I'm going to read them out to you. There is no time limit on the assignment. Okay, the paper is worth 30 marks, so you need at least 30 minutes to complete your end of year assessment. Okay, there is no time limit on the end of year assessment. Students should review the work set on Seneca and revision materials are uploaded in the classroom prior to completing this end of year assessment. So please make sure that, again, you complete the Seneca activities. I can't overemphasize it. If you don't complete it, you're just really not going to get as much of a chance as those people who do complete it. Okay. You can do as much or as little revision as you feel that you need to after finishing all the Seneca activities. Okay, so afterwards, if you really want to spend a bit of time going through your textbook portions, chapters, you can, it's absolutely fine, but I feel that the Seneca activities are more than adequate. So they do not take up more than 90 minutes. Here we go. The assignment will be marked and used to contribute towards your final end of year grade. The assessment, end of year assessment, should be conducted under exam conditions. So really what I would suggest that you do is you talk to your parents and you say, I've got my end of year assessment coming up, I'm about to do it, please make sure that I'm not disturbed for the next half an hour. Okay, for doing the Seneca activities, I would suggest that you also ask that as well, because those marks do stay on my system. Okay, the end of year assessment should be conducted under exam conditions, and therefore the use of textbooks and the internet is prohibited. Now, to support you in this end of year assessment, revision notes from each of the topics have been provided to you and can be found on the classroom stream and also below. You are not to copy and paste from Google. Search for answers on there for your test, or use any available mark scheme. So none of that is allowed. Any answers that do not appear to be your own may be rejected. If answers from students are identical in my class, if I see that they're like for like, I'm well within my right to reject both answers. Please work alone on these tests. If you don't want to risk any of that, just work on your own. Don't collaborate with the students in any other way. Now, if you scroll down, you'll also find some videos that will give you additional support. That's what I mentioned earlier. So all you need to do is just go onto those. If you want to have a quick burst of revision, you can do that. Okay? Right. The very best of luck, honestly. I really do want you to do well, and take care as you go through your exams. If you feel a little bit of panic, just take a time out, just a couple of minutes. It's not the easiest thing to do. If you are completely stuck, just read the question out. If you want a parent or carer to read that question out to you, that's absolutely fine, but they can't give you any extra information other than that. Look forward to seeing your test. I'm sure that you are going to be brilliant with your performances. I look forward to marking them, and I wish you well in those tests. Take care, stay safe, stay at home. Bye for now.